The importance of email automation.
Managing emails can be overwhelming and time-consuming. Automating your inbox allows you to focus on high-priority tasks, minimize distractions, and protect your personal time. By implementing email management strategies, you can reduce stress and support a healthier work-life balance. Let's explore practical steps and smart tools to help you regain control over your email.
Setting up inbox rules and filters.
Start by creating rules or filters in your email client. Organize incoming messages automatically into folders based on sender, keywords, or subject lines. For example, newsletters can be sent to a read later folder, while messages from your team can stay in your primary inbox. This simple setup prevents overwhelm and ensures that you can address important emails first.
Using auto-responses and templates.
Save time with auto-responses and pre-written templates. Set up out-of-office replies to let people know when you're unavailable. Use templates for frequent replies, like scheduling meetings or answering common questions. This approach helps you respond quickly and consistently without having to rewrite the same message repeatedly.
Scheduling emails and batch processing.
Take control by scheduling when you send and check emails. Most email services let you compose emails in advance and schedule them for later delivery. Set aside specific times during your day to process your inbox in batches rather than reacting immediately to every new message. This reduces interruptions and allows for more focused work.
Leveraging advanced tools and integrations.
Explore productivity tools that integrate with your email. Platforms like Gmail and Outlook offer add-ons for automatic categorization, spam control, and even AI-based suggestions. Consider using services like Zapier or IFTTT to connect your email with other apps, automating tasks like calendar updates or task management. These integrations can streamline your workflow considerably.
Achieving work-life balance through automation.
Automating your email management isn't just about saving time. It's about reclaiming your focus, reducing stress, and creating a boundary between work and personal life. By putting these methods into place, you'll be better equipped to enjoy your downtime, be more productive at work, and maintain a healthier overall balance.